Hello and welcome back, fellows. Copy and paste. Very basic of Excel features that we learn when we start using Excel. But still, there are so many creative options in this that you can use in your daily life and make it much faster and easier to use Excel. So without any further ado, I will take all of you to our practice Excel spreadsheet. In the spreadsheet, you can see one sheet that I have, and if in a case I want to copy paste it quickly, how can I do that? Simple as that. You hold the control key for a moment and drag it. Click on it and drag it, and you can see there's a plus sign, which means we have a copy now. Simple as that. Very easy, very quick. So again, you have to hold and press the control key and then simply drag it, and you will get another copy of that spreadsheet. Easy, isn't it? Let's move on to the next one. And next one is even easier. Normally, what we do when we have to copy paste something in our spreadsheets, and especially when it comes to a function or a formula and we have to paste it into values, we go to the home function and then there we paste and select values, quite hectic to pass through that. I will make it simple for you. If there is a one cell only and you want to paste values in it, simply press F2 and F9. F2, F9. Simple as that. Nothing else. Nothing else. No need to hold, no need to shift and control, nothing. Just simply press F2 and then F9 and it will paste special single cell. Now the question is, we have a lot of cells here which are with the values and we want to convert all of them into values, but this F2, F9 will not work on this case. So how we can do that? Very simple. You have to simply Control C this one. Then there is a menu key, press that and then press V. It is all converted into paste values. So simply Control C, menu button and V. Simple as that, and it will convert everything into values. Now, few of you are thinking maybe what is this value button? So I will show you on a virtual keyboard how it looks like. You can see on the corner on your keyboards as well, you have this function between Alt and Control in the middle of that on your right hand side. So you must find it. It depends. If you have a different language keyboard, it might be in a different place, but this option is there. So you will press this button, this menu button, and you will get conversion. So what you have to do is, I'm repeating it, you have to press Control C, press this menu button and then V. Simple as that, nothing else, and it will get you copy paste multiple cells. So we have done two, one with a single cell, another one with a multiple cell. Now let's come down to deleting data from a table. So for example, I have this table, I want to delete data out of it, but when I delete by pressing delete button, I get everything out, but the format is still there. So it's not a good idea because I want to remove the format as well. How can I do that? Simple, very simple. I have to select the whole table, then I have to hold the Alt key, then HEA. Simple as that, and everything will be removed. I'm repeating, you have to hold Alt key, then HEA. Simple as that, and you will get it cleared. The table will run away from your spreadsheet. Okie dokie. Now let's move on to one more very interesting thing, and I will use, let's say, the data from this one, and let's create a spreadsheet here, and let's say scores, and scores are like player 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if I want to transpose this particular table and transpose in a way that when I change values there, I get changes down there in the other table as well. Usually what happens is you copy it. I'm repeating it here, copy, because we did it in past as well, paste, and there is an option to transpose. So if I transpose it like this, and if I change, for example, the value for the first one, it will not change the value here. So the purpose here is to make a live table that can be used in parallel. So very simple and easy. So now I have to try in a way that I can copy paste the whole, let's say this data, into a transposed version, but whenever I change the data in the first table, the transposed version should also be changed. So very simple, is equal to transpose, that is a function, then you have to select the whole data here, the table itself, and then you have to press Shift Control Enter. Shift Control Enter. Now we have the data here. For example, now in this case, if I change the data on the first one, you will see it is changing here as well. So I will highlight it here. Now I will change again, and you will see I will change it to 1, and the number down there has also changed. Same is applicable for the last one. You can see it is changing in parallel. So it's kind of a live transpose that you can use into your Excel spreadsheets. I mean, depends on what kind of utility you have, but it can be very handy and very useful for you. Now we will start working on one more very interesting thing, that is like if I have to copy paste the data. Let's use this one. Okay. In a case, if I have to copy and paste at the same time, how we can do that? Copy and paste at the same time. So no Control C, no Control V, just simply press Control D. It has copy pasted the function. Very simple. But in a case, if I make it values, Control C and Control V, and paste it as values, then I will try to do this again, and you will see Control plus D, it has copy pasted down. If I have to take it on the right side, so I will press Control R, so it will copy paste from the left side to the right side. So again, Control D, it will copy paste from the cell above, and if I press Control R, it will copy paste from the cell on the left side and bring it onto the right side. Now I want to copy paste everywhere. So for example, if I want to paste one special value on all of these cells, so I will simply put the value here. So for example, I put here some values in this cell, and I press Control Enter. It will copy paste simultaneously on the whole table. Simple. Again, I'm repeating it. So I put a value here, 45, and Control Enter. It will copy paste on the cells which are selected. So for example, these are the cells which are selected, is equal to 234. Control Enter. It will fill the selection with whatever you want. One more functionality that can be very useful is around deleting the data simultaneously from multiple sheets in your workbook. So for example, in this spreadsheet, we have row number 9, which we want to remove from all of these spreadsheets, whereby the columns are different, but the row number 9 is standard. So we want to delete it. Simply, you have to press and hold Shift key and select till the end of your sheet. Now you select the row number 9 and delete it simply. So 8 rows are remaining here. Let's see, what do we have here? 8 rows, 8 rows, 8 rows, which means that it removed simultaneously the row number 9 from all the sheets in your workbook. So simply you have to hold on the Shift button and then select till the end of your workbook, and then you can delete simultaneously from that particular row or even set of cells, etc., or even columns. So that can also be very handy and very easy for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Do practice yourself on your computers, and do let me know if you have anything interesting that you want to share with other people on this forum. Thank you very much for watching this. If you're a first timer, do not forget to subscribe this channel. So I look forward to speak to you again. Till then, stay safe and take very good care of yourself. Ta-da.